When should you get a level 2 inspection? First off, it's the code standard. If you've had a sudden occurrence, a chimney fire, or clogged flue, you should get it if you've had a change in equipment. Equipment with BTU ratings, that should be verified. If you have a change of use, maybe from oil to wood or oil to natural gas. And the last and final one, probably the most frequently used, is actually real estate transfer. You're looking at from the top, you're looking in flue tile systems, you're using a camera, you're looking readily accessible areas, and actually some places that you have to take some equipment, break into it. You're not going to be invasively going into the chimney, breaking things out, but that's a level 2 inspection. You want to do it before you buy the house. It's too late to find these problems after you bought the house, because they could be very expensive. A level 2 inspection is necessary, especially when you've gone through the criteria of sudden occurrence, chimney fires, gas supply changes, or real estate. This is the reason why, because you want to know what really is going on with that thing. It's a code standard now, because somebody does mix the wrong equipment in there, or you're actually seeing the interior of the chimney and what's going on. You're getting up in the attic or in the basement as well. Crawl spaces too. Actually using a camera in most cases up the flue to verify if there's any problems inside there, if it's the proper size, if there's interior damage. But it's really for the homeowner in a real estate situation that the next buyer knows what the condition of that fireplace is. If you're in need of a level 2 inspection for real estate or for sudden occurrence or equipment change, give us a call here. We service all of Greater Cincinnati. Give us a call at 662-4600. My name is Clay Lamb. I'll be glad to answer your questions for you.